I've been expecting you.
You can't! Let me see your hands! Oh, no! Stop! Right now! Backed up.
Teen fake surrender, then crashes into a cop car in wild chase.
Into my car, he's taking off.
Call my mom, bro. Yep. Call my mom. Call my mom.
What starts off as a chill traffic stop instantly flips into a full-on chase, forcing officers to track down a teenager before he disappears into the abyss. And even if they catch him, getting him to cooperate or actually spill what's going on is a whole different battle.
Call my mom, bro. Call my mom, bro. Call my mom, bro. I sit on the concrete. Call my mom, bro. I'm not going in the back of this cop car. Call my mom, bro.
On June 21st, 2023, at about 1:32 p.m., a Green Bay police officer spots a brown Kia Sportage driven by 17-year-old Darian, carrying mismatched plates in Wisconsin. Thinking it might be stolen, the officer tries pulling him over, but things go off the rails almost instantly.
Okay.
Can you just give me the channel for a second? We're north on Adams at Elm. I'm just gonna try to stop.
He definitely sees this car. Yeah, he's like, alright. They following me now. Oh, at two different intersections? They box him in?
Let me see your hands!
Whoa. Wait. Did I miss something? Hold on, let me watch this out.
No! Stop! Right now! He just rammed my car.
Oh, he's gone.
Backed up into my car, he's taking off. He's going south on Madison from Maine. He rammed the front of my car and took off southbound.
Charlie King, are you injured?
Negative. Stone, are you okay? Stone was hanging on his door for a minute. Yeah.
Is this black SUV?
No, it's eastbound at Pine, high rate of speed. Most of people are pointing all over the place. It's up the Webster already. I'm not actively chasing them so far behind it. Someone go towards Irwin and University. He'll head back up into that neighborhood. 1374 Day Street is probably a good bet.
They lost him?
It's a brown Kia Sportage.
For a second they did.
Charles King 3561.
Last seen east on Pine from Webster.
Eastbound Pine from Webster.
And there's no more people outside the point.
Vehicle description again.
It's a brown Kia Sportage. The back right window I think is busted out. And Charles King 3561. Skinnier male black, driving all alone.
Somebody entered into flock so that it's flagged next time somebody goes through it, one of those cameras.
I already have that done.
Listen
He's
to
gonna
the
ram me
dog.
hard. Where? In the front. I'm gonna check in a second, but I want to see if I can find this guy.
I didn't notice it.
Adam 1 dispatcher, vehicle went
the
eastbound
reverse?
Pine and then turned northbound onto Roosevelt, likely heading towards Maine.
That's a basketball move. Kyrie did
It's
that.
at the dead end of Pine Street. I have it here. Start getting up there.
Alright, let's play a game. Is he in that car? Yes or no? If you are stopped, you do not see the cops behind you. Are you staying in the same car that you ran off in? Let's see. Is he in this car still?
We cleared the vehicle.
Oh, he's gone.
Started track with Hawk.
Oh, he's gone.
Anybody else in the car? Find perimeter position.
As officers and a canine begin searching the area on foot for Darian, the injured backup officer assesses his body camera to retrieve a picture of Darian from their earlier encounter. He grabs a screenshot, sends it to other officers, and pretty soon, the updates start rolling in.
We have a party calling in that there's a spare male black, not wearing a shirt, ran behind a greenhouse, Irwin and
You
St.
still had no
Clair.
shirt on,
I just
bro.
took out a picture of the suspect via email. Yeah, Clark, on the northeast corner there is a greenhouse. Saw him go behind there, and then in front of the yellow house to the east of there. 25 Adam on Green Bay Main, out with a male black, jeans, corner of Baird and St. Clair.
As officers confirm they have Darian in their custody, more units rush to the scene to assist. But what they don't realize is that restraining him won't be easy.
They got him.
Call my mom, bro. How you gonna tell me it's not true? I know more about Charlie than y'all.
Okay, where's your mom first there?
Bro, don't worry about it. Give me a phone so I can call my mom.
Where's the call your mom? Or you're supposed to call your mom?
I'm in cuffs. How I'm supposed to call her? Oh, nah, I'm gonna do it myself. You know you look like, bro? Chris Rock. So can I call my mom?
I see you come out of that house.
You did because you stopped me.
I was over there.
Exactly. You the one that saw me. You the one pulled off. I walk out. I immediately see you right
you
there.
got
You
anything
pull
on you?
off. No, bro.
Besides your phone?
Let me call my mom, bro.
What's your name?
Let me call my mom.
What's your name?
Let me call my mom. I don't have to tell y'all nothing without y'all violating my rights right now, bro. Let me call my mom, bro. So y'all not gonna
They're violating his
So
rights.
y'all not gonna let me call my mom, bro.
No, we're not gonna
Come
let
on,
you
bro.
call
Why
your
is you doing all that? You think I'm gonna run in handcuffs? You not gonna what? You not gonna what?
He ran off in a car. He ran off in a vehicle. They expect nothing less from
What?
you at this point, bro.
Then do it right now. Bro, y'all not touching me without my mom present, bro.
Where did you get your law degree?
Bro, what you mean law degree? Bro, y'all finna blow the f*** out of me, bro.
You got like that down there.
You can keep touching. You can take my shit off. You would feel it if I had something right there. I'm not going to back nothing, bro. It's hot as hell back there, bro. Call my mom, bro. Bro.
Okay, what is her name?
Don't call my mom, bro. I'm not going in the back of that cop car, bro. Call my
You are
mom.
going in the back of that cup.
Bro, on the TR, just arrest, I don't get no. Call my mom, bro. Call my mom, bro. Call my mom's, bro. Bro, call my fucking OG, bro. Move. Get my phone, too, because I know how you police do, bro. Y'all lose my shit. Don't give it back. Call my mom, bro. Call my mom, bro. Call my mom, bro. I sit on the concrete. Call my mom, bro. I'm not going in the back of this cop car. Call my mom, bro. Call my mom, bro.
It sounds like he's had a similar situation before. I know how y'all police is. Y'all take my phone and don't know where it is, bro. Cause they searching for it. You know what I'm saying? But you know how this goes. They're not gonna let you call your mom, bro.
Call my mom, bro.
You getting in that car.
Call my mom, bro. Call my mom.
You getting in the car and then you gonna call you. And then they gonna contact your mom at the station.
I didn't do nothing, bro.
So you arrive at the station.
Sit down.
Bro, y'all finna hog tie me? Bro, put me in the car.
Okay, you get in the car.
Y'all gonna hog tie me? I'm 16, watch out, bro.
You almost took me out, man.
You alright?
As officers continue with the rest of the process, Darian isn't done with his shit.
It's hot as hell in this cop car, bro. Y'all trying to make me die in this. Bro, it's hot as fucking here, bro. G. Folks, it's hot as a in this car. Bro. Let me out this, bro. It's hot as. Bro, open the door, bro. You bald head ass cop. At least open the door. It's hot as hell in here. At least open the door, bro. It's hot as fucking here. Please, bro. Damn, bro.
What's your name?
Don't worry about my name. Just let me call my mom, bro. You can get all the information from her. Get her on the phone.
What's your mom's name?
Bro, get my mom on the phone, bro. You can talk to her. I'm not telling you nothing to tell my mom on the phone. I don't have to tell you shit until my parent is present. You think I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about when I do? I'm not no dumbass kid. I'm not giving you my name, bro. Call my mama. She'll give you all that information. She'll give you all that information. I don't have to identify myself. I ain't do shit wrong. Call my mom. She'll give you all that information.
You do nothing wrong. He did nothing wrong. He did nothing wrong, guys. He did
Give me the
nothing
phone.
wrong.
What is mom's number?
The officer leaves a voicemail for Darian's mother. When they run her name, she's already tied to a stolen car case from May 20th. That little detail makes it clear who Darian is and what he's been up to.
Alright, bro, then y'all got me bleeding. Cause this stupid ass cop wanna grab my handcuffs hard as got my hands bleeding and shit. Bro, I swear to God for offing it. What? Alright, bro, you still sitting in here looking at what? You should have been called my mom. I gave you the number. Why is she not on ring right now? Get on the phone with my OG, bro. Like, what the I was not in no stolen vehicle, bro. What y'all lying for? Show me my picture. Show me the picture y'all got me in that stolen car. Tell that bald head black bitch come over here, show me my picture. Show me my picture. Y'all can easily say that's any, alright, that's any mixed kid in that stolen car. I wasn't in no stolen car. Y'all see me walk out that house right there, going to Joanne's. Y'all heard me on the phone. I swear to God, I hate the police folk. We do not need y'all. Y'all can't even show me my own picture. Y'all sound dumb as hell. Y'all can, like what? Bro, how the y'all not gonna show a picture of me in a stolen car? Somebody y'all see me in a stolen car. Bro, bring me to jail, bro. I'll be out that bitch for like 2 days. Bring me to jail, bro. I'd rather be in jail than sit in this hot ass cop car. What the Bring me to jail for I don't get no Bring me to Brown County for I don't get no What the I sit in cell before I sit in this hot ass police car. What the
When tracking Darian on foot, one of the officers also located a USB charger commonly used in car thefts. The ignition on the vehicle Darian was driving was also damaged, further confirming that he had indeed stolen the car, despite his denials. As officers wrap up the case on
like, I already knew it was stolen. It was a Kia, bro. It's a Kia, the easiest cars that you could steal, bro. Like,
Darian continues to run his mouth.
Ugly ass, yo ass, ugly. You don't get no skinny, no ass, no teeth, no nothing. Long ass face with a long ass nose. Hurry up, bring me to Brown County. I don't even get no. I don't feel like going to jail today, bro. God, but I'll go. I don't get no. What the? I so did want to go to the crib, drink me some good ass Kool-Aid, and watch me some good ass YouTube. It's cool though. My chance to get.
Hey, you watching the channel, yo? You watching the? Can you watch? Can they watch? Can they watch YouTube in jail? Hey man, if you watching this from jail, if you watching this at home, man, like, you did something very stupid, bro. You shouldn't have stole that car, bro. Like, you should have just look. This is what you should have done. You shouldn't have stolen the car, and then, you know, put a shirt on and change your look. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to help this guy out at all, because what he did was what you did was very dumb. You could have did that. You could have pulled over. You could have talked to the. Oh no, this is my mom's car. Like, I didn't. Maybe she stole the car. Maybe throw your mom under the bus. I don't know.
Oh, my plans to get.
I'm just throwing out ideas.
Born is fucking there, but I'll go on, bro. I'll go. Am I under arrest? Am I being detained?
You're under arrest.
Okay, all right. For what? For a stolen car that y'all ain't even show me y'all got me in?
Hit and run causing injury, hit and run intended operating a motor vehicle without owner's consent, fleeing and eluding, as well as resisting.
Let me see my picture that y'all got me in that car. Hurry up and take me to jail then, man.
Oh my god.
What's we sitting here for if I'm under arrest? Take me to jail, bro. The am I sitting here for? Just getting mad as take me to jail so I can be in four walls. Mad to myself. But bring me to the cell, bro. I hate the police. I hate every last one of y'all lads. I hate being around y'all. Bring me to my fucking cell.
Darian was charged with felony, vehicle fleeing eluding an officer, operating a vehicle without consent, second-degree recklessly endangering safety, and misdemeanor resisting obstructing an officer. He was eventually released on a $5,000 cash bond. 3 months later, Darian pleaded guilty due to a no-contest plea of vehicle fleeing eluding an officer and resisting obstructing an officer. The 2 other charges were dismissed, but read in.
So, because I'm not a criminal, I don't know how the system works. So you can get out on bond, but you still gotta go to court, and then you do your charges. They charge you, and then so it's like a 2-part system. Look, this sounds complicated, bro. This is why I'm not a criminal.
Ultimately, he was sentenced to 90 days in the Brown County Jail and 2 years of probation. He was also ordered to write an apology letter to the officer who was injured and to retrieve.
Wait, you could. I've never heard that before.
Before the sentencing letter to the officer who was injured and to retrieve a high school diploma. Before the sentence was issued, Darian apologized.
You forced to get a high school diploma, bro. That's wild. That is so wild, bro. No, you have no choice.
Apologized for his actions. He said the 9 days he spent in jail after his arrest scared him. However, not long after serving his 90-day sentence, he was arrested again in August 2024 on felony charges of first-degree intentional homicide, armed robbery, and possession of a firearm by an adjudicated delinquent. And before you go, I noticed nearly 68% of people who...
Whoa, what's that video? They need to post that one. Whoa, no. We need to go back.
Delinquent.
First degree intentional homicide, armed robbery, possession of a. This guy, just lock this guy up. He's a menace to society. I'm sorry if you are watching this video. I'm telling you, what you did was very dumb. Look, bro. Find Jesus, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's my advice, bro. But if you guys enjoyed the video, just like and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow, man. Peace.